Hey guys, doing something a little different tonight. We're seeing my little Cobra crossbow 80-pound pole. You see these all over eBay and the internet. This one came with a little bit of an upgraded laser dot scope. I don't know if you can see the dot in there or not. Probably not. There it is. Little laser dot. Pretty accurate. Kind of fun to shoot. But what I have here is an old, it's not old, but Samsung Sync Master 23-inch monitor that's a piece of crap. Keeps freezing up, locking up. Had all kinds of issues with it. It's already been replaced with the new monitor, so even though it looks like it's working right now, it flashes and it's got all kinds of crap going on with it. So I'm going to shoot it. This is one of the bolts that came with it. They're a 6-inch aluminum, super sharp. Got the camera set up just to the side, so I'm going to leave it on and record me shooting it from about 15-ish feet, something like that. See what happens when I shoot it. You can see it flashing there now. Bolts loaded, safety's off, and here we go. Fire in the hole. No penetration. And the arrow flew somewhere and broke apart and bent. So here's my arrow. Hoping for a little more than that, but it put a pretty good hole in the front of it there. Now it's really not working. Turn my light, brighten things up, see if I can find it. The bolts are cheap, so I don't rightly care. They have, there's my tip. All right, I got all my parts. Here's what it did to the tip. There's the tip. There's the fletching. And there's the bolt. And there's the monitor. So, not what I was hoping for. I was hoping for an explosion and fire and all kinds of good stuff, but that didn't happen. Ruin a bolt. Here's the bolts that came with the crossbow. They're just 6-inch brass, I guess. These are threaded, which makes it kind of cool, so you can actually have the opportunity maybe to make some kind of broadhead for them. Because it is a pretty powerful crossbow. It's not a toy. It's nothing like my Barnett, but and I can show you maybe here real quick if I can. I probably got a huge cable mess going on back here. Just go ahead and unplug that one. Okay, it's still recording. I thought something was okay. Try this one. There's my my yellow jacket. Downrange. It said it's about 15 feet maybe to the bag. Nothing much. So there's the crossbow. The way you cock these, I know there's a million videos on YouTube, but Just hold the front, push the button in the back, pull it, and now it's cocked. And take your bolt, slide it in the front, safety off, red dot on, and you probably can't see it down there anyway. And it's pretty accurate. I haven't zeroed the scope yet, but it actually penetrates into the bag. It says around 200 feet per second is what they're saying, depending on what website you look at. I don't have any way to test that, but most of the things I've read are about, say it's about 165, which is plenty to play around in the backyard. And when the kids get bored with Fluffy here, maybe we can test it out with another video. So we'll see. But that's it. Just a little Cobra video killing the old Samsung monitor. So thanks for watching.